Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the concept of finding and replacing a string in C using a C program. Okay. So, here first let us see how the output of the program will look like, then we can get into the details of the program logic. Actually, this is the way the program has to find out and replace the string. So, here the given string, a given string is a set of characters and it is first input by using the input statement, and then the given string may or may not contain the string we are searching for, and if it is available, the availability also may be more than one time. Okay. So, these are all the cases we are considering. So, either the searching string may be available or may not be available. If it is available, it may be available for more than one time. Now, we have to find the string. Here in this example, we are finding the string third. In the given string, I am in the third room of the third floor. So, I am going to change this third into second. So, what is the program here is, given the string I am in third room of the third floor, I am going to find out the word third and I am going to replace by the string second. So, this is the program. So, how the program logic should work is, first of all it should cross check the substitute string with the existing string. For example, it has to look for the string which is to be searched for example the third. So, it will first check out this, the third is available in this string, checking by one all the elements of the string, and finally when it comes to this position, the string third is going to be searched, it is found here, and then after some time also it is found in the second time also. So, now the input string to be searched is third and the input string to be replaced is second. So, they are replaced by second. So, now the new string will be I am in second room of the second floor. This should be the output. Okay. So, for that, first of all the string has to be found out, and then the location and the length of the string, old string has to be found out, and the length of the substring which is to be replaced has to be found out, and the length of the new string has to be found out. After finding, the new length is found by replacing the new replaced word. So, this is the old length, the length of the old string, and this is the length of the new string. So, the length of the new string may vary, that means may increase or decrease depending upon which word we are replacing. So, that is all. This is how the program is going to do. So, let us see how this program logic looks like. Okay. So, now here let us go to the program logic, how it is going to find the program. Okay. So, now coming to the second part of this, coming to the programming part, let us see how the program looks like.